In our podcast, Keep It or Change Cars, we discuss SA's used car market, the good, the bad, and the ugly, and your rights as a buyer. Catch You Ask, We Answer. We unpack the big questions real South African drivers are asking, and we don't hold back. In this episode of All Things Motoring, auto investigator Themba Robin dives into the unapologetic Italian world of Alfa Romeo, featuring the Supernova 1600. This is All Things Motoring News. To read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. Armada unveils refreshed C5X series with enhanced performance and even greater value. Laszlo Kongwana drives success at Chery South Africa. Audi South Africa adapts to market challenges and strengthens customer-centric approach. Alfa Romeo presents a dedicated logo to celebrate its 115-year history. Stellantis stands by their We Pledge promise. Read Jamil Ismail's article, The Big Problem I Have with the Chery Tiggo Cross. Remember, to read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. All Things Motoring News is proudly brought to you by CHANGECARS. If you're looking to sell, need advice, need finance, or need insurance, CHANGECARS has you covered.